guys, meron din sa akin si Ate Nini. May isang ganda na foundation, lipstick, tapos may card na naman ako. Pretty candy. Tapos may mga clip, pollen, very good. Tapos yung ring, clip. Okay, keep yun. Then other one. May lipstick, glitter. Ito guys. Silver. Tapos ito may pink siya. Star. Ba't nabasa yung card? Tapos may isa pang silver. Marble.